this is very nice today. The 11th of July 2024. And what was the address?
Hemmintie 10 or 6. Yes.
It's 6 actually.
Yes.
Like I say.
Yeah.
Koskenranta. In Mäntsälä, Finland, Finland. Koskenranta is another small suburb here.
Yeah.
It was built in 2001 by Kone with Sigma Pictures. December SH7 0887. 3 floors here. It's just enough for 3 floors.
Yeah.
We had 8 rides here.
Yeah.
This might be at the beginning of 2001.
Yeah.
The floor feels older. And that's why I feel it could be at the beginning of 2001.
Yeah. Spektiit kaikki vain pitää meidän tai spawn hissi.
I like the interior here.
Same.
Because this Sigma style was like some of its best versions.
Yeah.
A little bit of a classic ceiling, classic ceilings.
Yeah.
And that's it, thanks for watching.
That's